Ginger turmeric shots are a game changer for glowing skin and boosting immunity. Let's whip one up. Start with a thumb-sized piece of fresh ginger, grate it for maximum flavor and benefits. Next, grab a similar-sized piece of turmeric. This golden root is packed with curcumin, known for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Now, squeeze in the juice of half a lemon for that zesty kick and a dose of vitamin C. Add a pinch of black pepper to enhance the absorption of turmeric. Finally, mix it all with a cup of water or coconut water for a refreshing twist. Blend it up, strain if you like, and voila! This shot not only helps with digestion and reduces inflammation but also gives your skin that radiant glow. Plus, it's a natural energy booster, perfect for fighting off those pesky cold and flu symptoms. Cheers to your health!